Target gift card, how to use Target gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use Target gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your Target gift card online, first of all open up your browser, go to target.com and log into the account. Then just add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Then tap the cart icon from the top right and then let your cart to load up successfully. Now you have to go to the checkout page by just tapping the continue to checkout option here. And from here on, if you see all of the details once you enter your shipping address, to use your Target gift card, here you can see gift cards pay with a Target gift card. So now you have to just tap the add option here. Make sure to enter your card number, the access number, and then tap the add gift card option. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will get successfully used to purchase this product over here. This way you can use your Target gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.